Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp for video calls in 2025, whether you're connecting with friends, family, or colleagues. The process is simple and works the same across iPhone and Android. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your account and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. From your WhatsApp home screen, tap on the Chats tab and select the person you want to call. If you don't see them, you can use the search bar at the top. To find their name quickly, once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner. You'll see two icons, one for voice calls and one for video calls. Tap the camera icon to start a video call. WhatsApp will ring the other person, and as soon as they accept, you'll see them on your screen in real time. During the call, you have a few options. Tap the screen to see controls. You can mute your microphone if you don't want to be heard. Switch between the front and back camera using the camera flip button. And if you want to end the call, just tap the red hang up button at the bottom. If you want to do a group video call, open a group chat and tap the same video icon. WhatsApp will connect everyone in the group so you can all talk together, and that's it. That's how you use WhatsApp for video calls in 2025. For more tips and tricks, just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.